Have you seen the ad claiming that Dr. Oz revealed a pink gelatin trick that helps someone go from 208 pounds to 134 pounds? It says it's a simple morning routine, using ingredients already in your kitchen. It sounds easy. It sounds cheap. It sounds almost too good to be true. So I clicked it, and what I found was a classic funnel that raises serious red flags. Let's break it down step by step. The ad headline usually says something like, "Why everyone's talking about this gelatin morning routine." Or, "By this simple gelatin trick, the scale moved from 208 to 134. Sometimes it mentions Mehmet Oz. Sometimes it implies endorsement from Clarkson. It promises a free recipe, natural ingredients, no dieting, no exercise, rapid fat loss. And the hook? It's free. Just click to see the recipe. So I clicked. Instead of a recipe, you land on a page designed to look like a news article. It has fake interview formatting, headlines suggesting controversy, but there are no real news sources linked. No official media outlet branding. No verifiable article. It's a classic advertorial page. And still, no recipe. Next, you're pushed into watching a long video. It appears to feature Dr. Oz explaining a hidden gelatin method. But here's what stands out. The voice sounds slightly unnatural. The pacing feels scripted. The claims are extremely exaggerated. There's urgency and fear language. The video keeps saying, "Stay until the end to see the recipe." But the recipe never actually appears. Instead, it transitions into a pitch. This is a common tactic. Delay the promise. Build emotional investment. Then sell. After 15-30 minutes of build-up, you're redirected to a checkout page. Price, $39. The product name? Pink Program or Program Gelatin Pink. No clear ingredient breakdown. No clinical study references. No transparent company details. No verified endorsements. And remember, the ad said the recipe was free. But to get anything, you now need to enter your credit card details. That's the pivot point of the funnel. Let's list the red flags clearly. Celebrity name attached without verified endorsement. Free recipe that never appears. Fake news style layout. Deep fake or revoiced video. Emotional storytelling before sales pitch. Urgent checkout page. Vague product description. This is a pattern we've seen in many online weight loss funnels. And it's designed for one goal. Get your card details. This video is not medical advice. There's no verified evidence that a pink gelatin morning trick alone causes dramatic weight loss like 208 to 134 pounds. Real, sustainable weight loss requires consistent lifestyle changes, not secret tricks hidden behind checkout pages. If you've seen this ad, comment below and tell us where it showed up. Facebook? TikTok? Did you click it? Did you reach the checkout page? Your experience can help someone else avoid losing money. If you want more breakdowns of online scams and misleading ads, subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay skeptical, stay informed, and always research before entering your credit card online. See you in the next breakdown.